Internal transfer report. Similar to sales of raw materials, as explained earlier, internal transfers of raw material is also possible in Petpooja inventory. Now these transfers take place between sister outlets or central kitchen to outlet in case of all the outlets being nested under one brand name. Now the mandatory point here would be that the GST number for all the outlets should be 1. Let us see how can we generate the internal transfer report in Petpooja inventory. To begin, you'll have to log on to your owner's dashboard and then go to inventory section. Under inventory, you will find a subheading for reports, below which internal transfer report is visible. Once you reach here, you can apply filters from the supplier type, the type of transaction, whether it is a sale, which means transfer, or a purchase return of a transfer. As sale and purchase return both are outwards entry, the system can generate report for both of them. Hence, you will not find another report by the name of purchase return report, but in case you would like to see the purchase returns, you can come here and select purchase returns. After that, you can apply date range filter and click on search. Once you click on search, a list like so will pop up. Let us understand the column headings first. The first heading is for the restaurant or kitchen place to which the transfer took place. The second is the total quantity transferred to the outlet. The total amount or revenue or sales or internal transfer amount for that particular outlet. The amount which is remaining to be received from them, which means that we have not received the payment against the same. And the last section is for total paid. In case any transfer took place in the form of purchase, how much have we paid to that? But we'll be ignoring this column as of now. As you click on the plus sign, you'll be able to view the invoice details. And when I click on the plus sign of the invoice, I'll also be able to see the raw materials and what all rates and information was mentioned inside the invoice. Like so, you can get all the details. If you'd like to export this report in the form of Excel, you can click here and click on export all. A detailed report of all the transfers will be generated, which will look like this. You can use this Excel for creating multiple visualizations and so on. So this was about internal transfer report in Petpooja inventory. Now this report will only be generated for a particular outlet. In case you want to generate this report for another outlet, you have to come here, select the outlet and then generate the report. Because as we know, the transfer mechanisms for all the outlets would be different and their entries would be recorded in that particular section only. So first select the outlet and then go to reports. Thank you.